We are just arriving at a little Wildfit gathering here, and in we go,
Anything I'd done in the past had always put the pressure on losing the weight, which had again, in the process, had caused me more stress.
This is a lifestyle that is livable and doable. And the thing that's been so beautiful about this experience is that it handles what the most important thing is first. It handles your psychology. It handles your relationship to food, and it heals you.
Wildfit brought this framework that in the end I started using not only for nutritional decisions, but rather for how I judge the products that I'm consuming on a daily basis.
As a medical doctor, really shocking to see, wow, like food has a lot of healing power, and it can really reverse all these chronic diseases, because when we look at the chronic diseases, what is the main problem of those chronic diseases? It's chronic inflammation and insulin resistance. And what is Wildfit doing? It's exactly addressing these two problems. And conventional medicine is failing in addressing these problems.
I turned 50 last year, and I have more energy than in my 30s. The nutrition is the entry door to learning how to take care of yourself again. And thank you.
I mean, we've now had over 50,000 people in 120 countries go through Wildfit, and it works, everywhere. And one of the main reasons that Wildfit works is we just don't break those dumbass rules that the diet industry breaks. Anybody who's asking you to make a dietary change using only willpower has no idea what they're talking about. Everybody in the world is looking for a program they can stick to. You've developed a lifestyle that sticks to them. And that's ultimately, I think, why it's working.